What's up everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video. And you might be wondering, why do I have my KN-COSM-B and my KN-COSM-XTRB here? Well, I got another KN-COSM-B with a little twist. It's the older model of it, except this one has like the older Nighthawk logo, while this one here has the Kidde logo. And according to other videos I've been seeing of this, and this thing performs a little bit differently, and I still have yet to hear this in person, so let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, we're back, and I just had to stab this with a knife to open this up. Man, these older packaging are definitely much bigger of a pain than the newer ones. Hold on a second. Gotta put this knife into action again. There we go. Man, I really hate this packaging. Yeah, these batteries are long gone. They're like 1,000,000 years dead. And these I really gotta throw out. Hopefully I can rip open the rest of the packaging. Hopefully I can get this open. No other choice yet again. There we go. About time. Same mounting bracket as the other KN-COSM-B and the KN-COSM-XTRB. You can put that to the side. Got the alarm itself. Just get this knife out of the way. 2000 October 23rd. So this is pretty darn old. There's one more thing out of here. Got the packaging, which I need to clean up a little because, you know, batteries were corroded. Get this out of here. There we go. Got that out, and I believe there's a manual. Yep, there it is. And once again, here's the alarm itself, made in October 23rd, 2000. So, I'm just gonna quickly power this thing up, and we'll give this thing a test. Alright, and boom. I'm just gonna put the bracket on, and we'll give it a test. Alright, bracket is on, and here we go.
Fire, fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And that's it. And this thing was actually still pretty quiet compared to the KN-COSM-B. This is still the loudest KN-COSM-B in my collection by far. Gonna check see if there's a dying sound on this. I don't think there is, but oh. Hold on a second. I'm gonna try and take the battery out in case there's a dying sound. There it is. Oh, I think it chirped. Yeah, it chirped as soon as the battery came out. So I guess I'll classify that as a dying sound, but I'm not sure. It's pretty much the same dying sound as the FG200. And the alarm indeed goes on the bracket without the need of batteries because of this little thing. And yeah, pretty cool. Here it is next to my Kidde B and the XTRB. And they all look pretty different. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day, everybody.